Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set custom ringtone on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply open my Chrome. At first time download a music. So I'm download this music. Okay, now it's download. Open my file apps. Go to download section. I'm recently download this audio. At first time rename. To rename, press on rename. Now go back, open settings, click on sound and vibration, then showing you to ringtone option, tap on, click on to plus option, and I'm select folder and download folder. I'm recently download this sound. Just select and get back. Now successfully set up.